Hey Kiki, how about the 3 megawatt order of Vienna? Hey Kiki.
Don't borrow me. Don't you see that I'm busy now?
What happened?
Don't you know that solar panels are rising in solar panels and now its price is so expensive? I don't know how to explain to my old customers.
What?
At present, the supply of major first-line brands is in short supply and raw materials are rising, leading to the substantial price increases. Hello? Hi. Yes, this is Moog Sonar. Yes. Yeah, we can provide the Nongji Sonar. How about the quantity? Okay, 1 megawatt. Okay, we can check the details by the email. Okay, bye. Considering to provide our customer with the best price, our company and the factory has signed a contract close to the 20 megawatt. The goods are expected to arrive at our warehouse one after another in early August. But many customers want to purchase the goods with original price and with the fast delivery. I need to discuss with them about the full payment, so I hope they can understand us. The price already up. So if you have any projects, please make the decision as soon as possible. Please contact Nanjing Moog Moog Sonar.